Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video we'll be talking about Renderforest. It's a really beautiful tool for creating your own logos, videos and lots of other things. First of all, I'll tell you more about Renderforest as it is. We will go through some pricing plans so you can see what you're getting for your money, and we will try to create some logos or maybe a video. So what is Renderforest? Renderforest is an online video production platform, and it's a free cloud-based presentation software. It is useful for both business as well as per personal use. The software comes backed by around-the-clock live customer support. It's loaded with suitable video editing and video management features. Despite not having any technical skills, you can at ease produce animations, professional intros, music visualizations, and slideshows with the help of Renderforest. You can create a 3D online video for a stunning corporate presentation, and also you can benefit from the templates, explainer, animations, or whiteboard videos. Producing promo videos is fun. With this software, it has several presentation features, and we will go through them all. It's obviously made for basically everybody, for individuals, freelancers, medium or small businesses. I wouldn't say it's the best for the enterprises because mostly they already hired some studio to back their presentations or the graphic designs. Also, they are working with a very nice 24/7 live rep support. And as you can see, it's really readable. It's really nice done. As you can see, I'm already logged in, and we can go into the top right corner where there is my logo, and we can go to my account. In general, we can also go through the subscriptions straight away, and we can check the plans, what we can buy. So with a free option, we have 300 megabytes of storage, unlimited 360p video exports, which is really not much. It's really free. Up to 3-minute videos, access to 20,000 more stock videos, limited number of music tracks, and watermarks on everything. That's their way how to say to you, yeah, you should really pay for it. Then we are going through yearly subscription, so you have to bill it for at least a year, which is $6.99. If you want to do it monthly, it's $11.99, so it's almost 50%. 7 HD 720 videos per month, up to 5-minute videos, and so on and so on. The bigger the package is, or the more expensive, obviously the more you will get. You can go with videos, you can go with logos, mockups, websites. And that's what really pissing me off is with the logos, you are getting a low quality. So in the end, the logo will look somehow different than you actually want it to look like. That's about the subscription plans, or you can go with pay per product. With Logo Maker, you can go also with $9.99, but you'll be basically working only with Logo Maker. When you go back, you see everything is really clear. So let's try and make a logo. We should start with AI-based Logo Maker, create logo just for you. Renderforest Logo Maker allows you to create impressive logos in a matter of minutes. All you have to do is type your brand name and describe the logo you want in 1 or 2 sentences. Choose one of the 6 available styles and wait for a second for our AI-based Logo Maker to create the logo of your dreams. So let's go with brand name Telman Matthew, let's go with tech tips and get my logo. Now, tagline or description. It's not mandatory. The only mandatory part that you are going around, it's the company name. Then we can go with text and obviously description. Next. Now you can select the style. You can go with the first option, which is basically totally random. The AI will pick something for you if you have zero expectations and you don't really know what you want. Then we can go with line style, with solid. We can go with flat, watercolor, emblems, minimal, alphabetical, or gradient. So let's say that our logo, we want to have it flat, and we hit next. Straight away we can choose how it will look in this small presentation. We can go with this one, and you see in the different platforms how it will look. Mobile, then we have 16:9, we have 16:10, and then I believe this one is your card. And now we have to pick a style. With some of them, you can also choose icon styles. Then, as you can see, it's tons of them. You can click in or click out if you want to see the preview, how it looks. And we can really pick the one that we like the most. Let me see. As you can see, there's way more. We can have a Birdman, but not really. Yeah, let's go with this guy. This is pretty, nah, it's too busy. Yeah, I'm okay with this girl. And now, as I said before, we can choose a style. Like this one. I really like this one, and we can go with edit and download. Straight away we are in this window where we can basically play around with the text and also play around with the logo. We can choose where we want to, like the circle represents the logo and the underline represents the text. Like this, or like this. I really like this one. Then we can go with icon. We can change it, but we don't really want to. We really like it. But as you can see, if you want to really something minimalistic, you can always change it to something not that minimalistic. You can change basically everything in this matter. Then also we can play with text. We can use the spacing. Just like this, I believe. And obviously we can change the font as well. We can align it in the middle. And also we can, TT stands for tech tips. And that's about it. Let's say this is the final thing that we want to keep, and we just hit the download. As you can see, yet again, we can go through the icons with free, basic, vector logo or premium logo. And let's go and just download. But as I said before, it will be super low quality. We have to wait for a second. You can animate it. As you can see, I already created one before, and we hit the download. And as you can see, we have it in PNG format. Tauman, Matthew, Tech Tips. You can basically use it now. The logo, the background is completely like non-present. You can use it as a sticker, you can use it as a mark, whatever you like to. For PNG or SVG, you have to pay to download. As you can see, full design package, high quality PNG or high quality PNG as it is. Now we can really go and create a video as well, where you can start with basically the filters, then aspect ratio. Let's just go with a 16:9 classic. Duration, let's go with flexible, frames per second. 30 is maximum, so let's go with 30. And we have explainer, a couple of explainers, but let's start with abstract lines flow. As you can see, we can create basically this one. And it's really nice, don't get me wrong. And you can create it as well, but there will be a watermark. We are creating a scene. Let's go with this one. Duration is 5 seconds. You can go with logo animation, photo holders, and video holders. We insert the scene. We can type the text. Save and close. Okay. Now, you can also obviously change the font, but we don't really need to. Oh, I deleted it. Save and close. Now we go to style, but we have to skip this step. Line and colors. We can add a music. Let's go with the first one, and then let's go to preview. Hopefully it won't be that loud. But as you can see, overall, really it's about it's really intuitive. So everybody can do that. Everybody can go to renderforest.com and create your logo or a short video into the presentation. It's really nothing. And mostly it's free. If you are in a pressure and you are you are going through individual project and you don't really want to spend extra money for the job, you can always go with Renderforest, and they will create very nice, very intuitive and up-to-date videos or logos and all the stuff that you basically need. Mockups, you can build a website or design the graphics. In that time, as you can see, rendering finish, applying all the changes into this video, and you can see now that we just created our video, but created by renderforest.com. You can remove the watermark for $8.99 a month. So that's about it, guys. I strongly recommend you trying this free option in your Renderforest to see if this one is for you. But what really it's really nice and why I'm using it in my paid version is also the fact that it's web-based, so you don't have to install anything. Obviously, you need internet connection, but I believe that's not an issue in 2022. So if you have any kinds of questions or any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video. I'll answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.